Hello everyone, welcome. Today, yes, good evening all. In today's newspaper, in additional of Monday, March the 6th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles. I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku number 60. Well. 6071. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 3 threes, 3 fours, 1 5, 4 sixes. Alright. 4 sevens. Okay. 2 8 and 4 9. So the 6, the 7s, and the 9s are a majority. Can I start with a 9? Well, we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay, how about the 7 then? 7, I need to, yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. How about the 6? Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the first row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6, okay. 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6. How about the 7 then now? No, still having troubles with the 7. Then let me use another digit. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next down. Only place left for the 1. Should be there, 1, 1, okay. Then 4, 4. 4 and interesting. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. 3, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 2. How about 6 in this row? 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 here in the third row. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 7. Still cannot continue with the 7 now. 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in the third column, so the 1 and the 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes, disappear. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Alright, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. How about 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright, still cannot continue with the 7. Alright. Then, how about 8. 2 and a 5. We need a 2 and a 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Then one box left in this column for number third column. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. Alright, now I can continue with the 7. Yeah. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Here also the 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the column next, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 7. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 5. So 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the numbers 2, 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. Okay. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 2, 3, 8. We have a 2 here, so the 3 and the 8 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. Here we have a 3, so the 2 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 2, 3, 8. We have a 3 here, so the 2 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. We have an 8 here, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column. We have a 2 and a 3 here, so this box should be an 8. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for number. We have an 8 here, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Well, I don't think this is a 3 stars. Seems it like a 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So, cannot be a 3 stars. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, so see you then. Bye-bye for now.